Hi everyone, if you are passionate about physics or love collecting rare science books, you are in for a treat today. We are looking at elementary physics, problem and solutions. The author of the book is Gurskii. It's a hardcover edition and the jacket has considerable damage. The late Gurskii worked at the Moscow Highway Engineering Institute as leader in the Department of Theoretical Mechanics. Dr. Gurskii wrote a textbook on physics for entrance examination to universities and higher educational institutes. This book enjoys considerable popularity even today. This is the first published in 1987. Contents: Introduction, SI system of units, vectors, some mechanical operations on vectors, projection of points and vector onto an axis, general methodical hints to the solution of problems. Chapter 1 is mechanics and two is fluids, 3 molecular physics, thermal phenomena, 4 is fundamentals of electrodynamics, 5 is oscillation and waves, 6 optics, and last one is structure of the atom. Introduction, SI system of units. One is mechanics, 1.1 basic concepts. Problem with solutions. A motherboard covers the distance between two spots on the river in T1 equal 8 hours and T2 equal 12 hours downstream and upstream respectively. What is the time required for the boat to cover the distance in still water? Solution. Let us denote the distance between the spots by L, the velocity of the motherboard in still water by U, and the velocity of water flow in the river by U. Then the equation of motion of the boat downstream and upstream can be written as L equal V plus U into T1 and L equal V minus U into T2. From these equations we must find T equal L divided by V. For this purpose, we write these equations so as to eliminate U. (1.17) is law of universal gravitation. Kinematics and dynamics, or rotational motion of a rigid body. 1.24 Uniform rotational motion, angular velocity and linear velocity. (1.34) Center of mass of a body. (3.2) is Brownian movement, gas pressure, and 3.3 is diffusion in gases, liquids and solids. 4.10 is Ohm's law for a sub-circuit resistance of conductors. If an electric field is created in a uniform sub-circuit, the sub-circuit containing no extraneous forces, a current will appear in the sub-circuit. The electric field created in it can be characterized by the voltage U applied to the sub-circuit, O, which is the same, by the potential difference P1 minus P2 across its ends to equal P1 minus P2. In 1826, Ohm's law was experimentally established, according to which the current I in a uniform sub-circuit is directly proportional to the voltage U applied to the sub-circuit and inversely proportional to the characteristic of the sub-circuit called its electric resistance R. I equal U divided by R. A problem with solutions. .27 is magnetic flux and 4.28 is a meter and voltmeter. Electromagnetic phenomena, electromagnetic induction, self-induction, inductance. .18 is open oscillatory circuit, emission and reception of electromagnetic waves. Problem with solutions exercises. Write the missing symbols in the following nuclear reactions. This book presents an entry course in elementary physics in a consistent and concise form. The main emphasis is put on solving typical problems. Most of the problems are supplied within, but many need to be solved independently. Intended for secondary school students, lecturers and students of preparatory department of technical colleges, and especially for those who study physics independently. So that was elementary physics problem and solutions by I.P. Gurskii, a brilliant tool for mastering physics the right way. If you are interested in getting a copy, check the description below for all the details. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into rare and powerful science books from Mir Publishers and beyond. And let me know in the comments what's your favorite physics topics or book. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious and keep learning.